I just learned a really cool new trick that I want to show you in Google Slides or Google Drawings that could really help to save you some time as you're creating different shapes within there. So what I want to show you is the shape tool specifically, and let's maybe just create a shape. So I'm just going to create this rounded rectangle. And then say you want to fill it with a specific color and you don't want an outline, and then maybe you want something like a drop shadow, which you would find under the format options here. So we could add that on. Now, maybe you want to match and create more shapes that match this specific color scheme, drop shadow, everything in terms of formatting like that. Well, if you go to create a shape now, say you want to create an arrow, but you wanted it with the same colors, when you click on it and you get the arrow, you would have to go back and change the fill color again, change the border color, and then go and add the drop shadow as well. But if you first make sure that you've clicked on the shape that you want to inherit the formatting features from, then you could come up to your shape tool, go to arrows, and if we click on an arrow and draw an arrow now, it's going to copy over all of those formatting pieces to your new shape. So it really kind of helps to save you time and effort as you're creating your new shapes in slides or drawings. It works in both sets of tools. So go give it a try and let us know in the comments down below. Did you know about this cool trick? Because I only just learned it myself and I think it's awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.